Hey everyone! Today, we're looking at something crucial: laptop screen quality. Especially with long screen time. We live in a digital world, so many of us spend hours in front of screens. But, have you considered how the screen affects your eyes? Screen quality includes resolution, panel type, refresh rate, and screen finish. These impact your viewing experience. Let's start with resolution: the number of pixels. Higher resolutions like Full HD 1920 by 1080 or Quad HD 2560x1440 are better for long use, reducing eye strain. Lower resolutions can make text blurry, causing eye fatigue. Next, panel types. TN Twisted Pneumatic is affordable but has narrow viewing angles. IPS in plain switching offers excellent color and wide angles, ideal for color-critical work. VA Vertical Alignment provides good balance with deep blacks. For long use, IPS or VA are recommended. Then, refresh rate: how often the screen updates. Higher rates, like 120 Hz or 144 Hz, make motion smoother, potentially reducing fatigue, especially for gaming. However, for general tasks, 60 Hz is usually enough. Screen finish matters. Glossy screens offer vibrant colors but reflect light. Matte screens diffuse light, reducing glare. Which is better in bright environments? Consider a matte screen if you work in various lighting conditions. Beyond the screen, other factors impact comfort. Adjust screen brightness to match your environment. Auto brightness helps maintain a comfortable distance, about arm's length. Good ergonomics are key. Use an external monitor, keyboard, and mouse for better posture. Remember to take breaks. The 20-20-20 rule is helpful. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This gives your eyes a rest. Consider your lighting. Avoid harsh overhead light or direct sunlight. Work in a wall-lit room with soft, indirect lighting. Choosing the right laptop screen for long use is about eye care and well-being. Consider resolution, panel type, refresh rate, and screen finish. Adjust brightness, maintain distance, and take breaks. Your eyes will thank you. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into laptop screen quality, vital. If you spend a lot of time in front of your laptop, whether you're a student, professional, or enjoy screen time, this video is for you. We'll explore why it matters, what to look for, and how to protect your eyes. So, why does laptop screen quality matter? A poor display can lead to eye strain, headaches, and potential long-term vision problems. Blurry text and flickering images make your eyes work harder, causing fatigue. A good screen makes your work more enjoyable, less taxing on your eyes. Clear text, vibrant colors, and smooth motion contribute to a better viewing experience. Now, let's talk about what to look for. First, resolution. Higher resolution means sharper images and text. Common resolutions include Full HD 1920 by 1080, QHD 2560 by 1440, and 4K 3840x2160. Full HD is a good starting point, but consider QHD or 4K for extra sharpness, especially for creative work or gaming. Next, the panel type. Common types are TN Twisted Pneumatic, IPS in plain switching, and VA Vertical Alignment. TN panels are affordable but often have narrower viewing angles and less accurate color. IPS panels offer excellent color accuracy and wide viewing angles, ideal for graphic design. VA panels provide good contrast ratios, resulting in deep blacks, ideal for watching movies. Color accuracy is another important factor. This is measured in terms of color gamut and accuracy. Color gamut refers to the range of colors a display can show. Look for screens that cover a high percentage of sRGB or Adobe RGB, especially if you're working with photos or videos. Color accuracy is often measured by delta E value. A lower delta E value is better. Brightness and contrast ratio also play key roles. Brightness, measured in nits, determines how bright the screen gets. Contrast ratio refers to the difference between the brightest white and darkest black. A higher contrast ratio means deeper blacks and more vibrant colors. Finally, refresh rate and response time are important if you're a gamer. Refresh rate, in Hz Hz, indicates how many times the screen updates per second. Response time is how quickly pixels change colors. A faster response time reduces motion blur. Now, how to protect your eyes. Adjust your screen brightness to match the ambient lighting. Position your screen correctly. The top of the screen should be at or slightly below eye level and at a comfortable distance. Take breaks. The 20-20-20 rule helps every 20 minutes. Look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Blink frequently. Consider blue light filters. Many laptops and operating systems offer built-in filters. You can also use blue light blocking glasses. In conclusion, choosing a laptop with good screen quality is an investment in your eye health. Consider resolution, panel type, color accuracy, brightness, contrast ratio, refresh rate, and response time. Protect your eyes by adjusting brightness, screen position, taking breaks, and using blue light filters. Thanks for watching.